Welcome to OBDSync. In this episode we're going through how to remove a tuner lock on a Holden VE E38 ECU. This is also suitable for the VZ E38s and VF E38s. So first off, click the vehicle button and go to the ECM tile. We'll then head up to the tuner unlock tab. We'll see our first thing, we have the search option, which is auto search or custom key. If you know what the custom key is, you can type it in, otherwise leave it on auto search. We then also have an option for typing in the previous tuner name if you know it. Do add that in if you do, since it will speed up the process in the future. Once you have a battery maintainer on, you can go ahead and select the begin search. It's really important to have a battery maintainer on, since this process can take up to 7 days. Typically we find it's under 24 hours, sometimes as low as 30 minutes. It depends on the tuning software that was used to lock it. Usually we find our algorithm is pretty good, but if it's a completely custom key, that can take quite a long time. It really just depends on what it was locked with. In this circumstance, we've set the key quite low, so it only took about 7 or 8 minutes for it to be done. We'll then get a pop-up indicating that it was the correct key has been found. So our next box is saying if you'd like to remove it, we'll click yes. If you don't want to remove it, press no. If you press no, you can come back and remove that lock at a later date, since it will save the session. So we're going to show removing that lock, so we've clicked yes. This will then begin the tuner unlock procedure. This part is very quick, it only takes a few seconds. That's it now done, it's just doing the finalization procedure. After this, we'll have a little pop-up indicating that we need to turn the ignition off. So we'll do that and click OK. We then have to wait 30 seconds. I've just fast-forwarded this section as well. A pop-up indicating turn ignition on. So do that, press OK. And that's the procedure now done. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.